In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your indicators on TradingView to keep your charts clean, step by step. A clutter-free chart makes decision-making faster, and this quick toggle is the safest way to declutter without losing any settings. Start with your chart open. In the top left corner of the chart area, you'll see the list of everything you've added, your symbol, followed by the names of your indicators. Each item has a few small icons next to it, including a gear for settings and a small eye for visibility. Locate the indicator you want to hide in that list. If you're running several tools, glance at the line color or the title so you're sure you're choosing the right one. When you've found it, move your cursor over the eye icon next to its name and click once. Instantly, all of the plots and signals from that indicator disappear from the chart. You haven't deleted anything. You've simply turned off its visibility. Your inputs, drawings tied to it, and any alerts based on that indicator remain intact in the background. When you want the indicator back, click the same eye icon again to unhide it. The plots reappear with your previous settings, exactly where you left them. This on and off switch is perfect for focusing on price action, checking support and resistance without distractions, or comparing different strategies one at a time. Repeat this process for any other indicators you want to hide or show. There's no limit to how often you can toggle, and it's instantaneous, so you can flip visibility during live market movement without missing a beat. If you accidentally hide the wrong indicator, just click the eye again to bring it right back. If you don't see the icon, make sure your chart pane is active and the header isn't collapsed. Hovering near the indicator name usually reveals the icons. It works the same for built-in indicators, third-party scripts, and anything you coded yourself. Whether it's a simple moving average on the main chart or an oscillator in a separate pane, the eye icon next to its name controls visibility. Clean charts are also ideal for screenshots and presentations, making your annotations and key levels stand out without layers of overlapping lines. Remember, hiding is not the same as removing. Removing an indicator takes it off your chart entirely. Hiding simply keeps your workspace clean while preserving all your configurations, so you can restore your full layout in a single click. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.